Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. So, I get a lot of questions about how to use the AI, okay, or Holly, okay, and this during the test drive, get a lot of questions like that. So take a look at this one, guys. This is ATSG. Now, there was the alert right at 15.95 to short it, right there. You can see that down arrow right here. And look what happened after that. Now, I had a little pop up here, but I'm sorry, on that candle, they got all the way down to 1461 from 1595, which is awesome, okay? Now, it popped up a little bit, came back down, but look what happened here. Try to tell people all the time that you can use the AI like a watch list. So let's just say you missed the first alert. You know, for some reason you were busy, you missed it, and you get a little ticked off. But look what happened. This came right back up to the alert price again. You could have taken it right here again, and look what happened. I mean, basically almost the same move down. And who knows, maybe from now, this is not going to have a pop up, and this could continue to move down. There is still some room for it to move down, and it's an earnings play, so we know it's going to be active all day. But again, you use the AI like a watch list. You miss it the first time, don't bemoan the fact that you've missed it. Keep an eye on it. Even put a price alert right at the original entry and see if it hits that. You don't have to keep watching the chart. And if it hits it, then you can make it remind. And in this case, this would have been awesome. So for a secondary attempt at shorting it. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the trading room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.